Hello guys, सीधी बात नो बकवास ये भी अनबॉक्स. In this video I'm going to unbox Jockey International Collection Ultra Soft Micro Model Men Brief. So first of all let us have a look on its box. This is Micro Model from Jockey, and if I talk about its material, it is written 77% Micro Model, 19% cotton and 4% elastane. So micro model, this particular stuff is very much in trend and it is many times softer than cotton. So let's open it now. So the people who are wearing cotton, and when they wear it first time, they will never like to wear cotton again. This is that much soft. That is micro model. So this is Jockey's micro model brief. Some people are brand conscious, they don't want to go for new upcoming brands, so they believe Jockey because Jockey is one of the most famous brands in undergarments. So the people who don't want to change their brand but they do want that micro model stuff, so Jockey has launched their micro model stuff for these people. So just let's have a close look. This is the waistband, Jockey branding here, and this is a logo of Jockey. So this is stretchable also. This is front and this is back. From the back it is single layered, and from the sides also it is single layered, but this portion, this fly portion, first of all there is no vent here. This fly portion where you will find double layered countered pouch. So this is all single clothing, but here this countered pouch is basically double layered. So countered pouch is very important for comfort. And second thing is this fit is very traditional, sort of like new brands EasyB and Dimanche and XYXX. So these all brands are giving some different kind of styling and comfort, but here you will find that traditional sort of, so which you may not like if you are more concerned about your fits. And from inside, this is the detail of the cloth. In gentle wash it is written, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, line dry in shade. So washing instructions are given. So seedhi baat no bakwas, this style is very traditional, so it has no style but traditional. And cloth is also normally soft. It is far better than cotton, but not comparatively to Dimanche or EasyB or XYXX. So their clothes have a different level. So in my this very channel you will find some more videos on different styling, and their material is far better than this one. Although Jockey lovers will not like my this sentence, but my title is Seedhi Baat No Bakwas, so I'll talk very frankly about it. Like Jockey is Jockey, no doubt, but new brands which are coming with micro model stuff, they will give you better comfort and better styling and even better color options. So before ordering Jockey briefs, you may just have a look on my other videos on other brands and then decide accordingly. All the links you will find in the description of this video. This briefs link also, color option also, you will find all the information on this brief and on other brands also in my description. So do watch my description. A lot of videos on briefs are on the way to this channel, so stay connected. We'll be again doing Seedhi Baat No Bakwas with some other companies brief. So Seedhi Baat No Bakwas, all the links are given in the description. If you want to go for Jockey, you can go for it, but you can find some other brands also better than this one in styling and in clothing. Seedhi Baat No Bakwas. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe it now and like this video, share this video with your friends and all, and stay tuned. I will be coming with a lot of unboxing and review videos on brief on this very channel.